3, 2, 1. Welcome to the last day. You're almost done. And then we're going to go into the fun begins, essentially, okay? So this is the last day we get to test. Obviously, we're probably inputting our data into our Google Sheets, aren't we? So that's going to be wonderful. And then we're going to go near max strength again today, and body weight and peak power. Okay, all the fun stuff. Let's go no strength endurance, which is fantastic, right? Because I'm assuming you've got this far that those goblet squats sucked. Okay. We're going to flick through, go straight onto the testing protocols of what I expect. Okay. So, So power test 3. All right. So we've got our vertical force, 1-step jump. Obviously, this is something that's used in the NBA more than like the NFL combines. Okay. So it is just a 1-step and go. You can obviously Google more videos if you want to. Cindy does a pretty good job here. And obviously I'll be doing this stuff with you. Okay. So that'll be interesting to see. So as we go through this, we've got a 1-step jump. I want you to fling your arms straight in the air. You can do the guidance of how to set up and everything, and that will be taught through this video. I'm expecting a big amount of vertical height off that one, okay, based off a horizontal start. Cool. So then we go into lower unilateral. Again, we've gone power, then into strength, because we still haven't used our cool kind of full capacity of our muscle spindle yet. Okay. So we've still got a lot of energy and glycogen in our muscles. So we're going to our split squat movement. Okay. So one of the biggest things for this is if you do one leg and then the other without any break, continue to do that throughout. If you don't, give yourself 60 seconds between each leg. That is absolutely fine, okay? Basically, I use the phrase of go chill out, get yourself together between if you're going really heavy, especially if it's kind of like a 3 to 5 rep effort. It's absolutely fine by me. Go chill out, come back about 1 minute tops, and then we go again, okay? Because that back leg will be used because the quad has to be used, okay? So that's what we'll be looking at there. You have a choice of barbells, however, what have you got, whether it be dumbbell, whether it be barbell, whether it be safety bar, whether you want to do a Hatfield, okay? That is up to you. Repeat it, though. That's the only thing you have to do. Try and get that bar and that repeated effort on the next one when we do in week 10, okay? So then we've got our pull-up. Obviously, we've done this for banded and for non-assisted, okay? If you have a pull-up machine available to you as well and we aren't hitting full pull-ups yet, that is absolutely fine, okay? So just use that. Similar thing, go through the walk through the band. I show it pretty much on the video of how to do it properly with the band. We're not going up top. Hopefully, we're able to use a rack. If not, then we'll use a band just hanging off, okay? That's absolutely fine. But preference is not to. And then how you load it with chains or just making sure we've got the kind of a weighted belt that usable for us, okay? Wonderful. And then lastly, we've just got a peak power test. So the idea of this, we have to have something that gives us wattage, okay? So, and it's just going to be 5-6 seconds of absolutely going hell for leather, getting as high as you can, and then coming back, okay? Bearing in mind, your first score will not be your best, probably your second or your third score within the 5 minutes that you do this. That will be your best one, okay? Because you'll learn how to push, how to kind of control it on the bike or on the whatever you're going to be on, okay? So I implore you to do 2, 3, even 4 tests when you do this and let it all go, okay? So you're just looking at the peak score and then that is it. And then you go cool down, do whatever you like, chill out, you're done. And we'll be discussing on the next call what you'll be going to in the meso and what everything you'll get. You'll get one of these videos every single day, just summarizing where I want you to push, what I want you to back off on, and a little bit of technique tips. Beautiful. Welcome to the end of your